Okay, so I hope you're doing terrific, and if you're not quite doing as well in your affiliate marketing as you'd like, or if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're not quite sure what it is, we're going to talk about that on the other side. Okay, welcome back. We are talking about affiliate marketing. Can you make any money with it? Well, let's talk about that. Well, firstly, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing for those who don't know what affiliate marketing is. Well, affiliate marketing is basically you promote goods and services, mostly online, for a commission. And generally speaking, with affiliate marketing, you don't need to buy any stock or you don't have to buy anything in advance. There are some multi-level companies that require you to buy maybe their vitamins or their food supplements or whatever it is they're selling for multi-level marketing, where you recruit other salespeople to join your team. But generally speaking, for affiliate marketing, you generally don't have to buy anything. You are provided with a custom URL or a domain name or link attached to you only, and you simply promote that link on the internet, and when someone buys a good and service from that link, you get a commission. So basically, that's in a nutshell. Now, can you make money with affiliate marketing? And the answer is definitely you can. Now, some of you that may have been trying affiliate marketing and haven't seen the results that you would like, let's talk about that a little bit more. Or perhaps some of you that are thinking about affiliate marketing and maybe you have thoughts, well, that you can't make any money in that, or it's all a scam, or you have maybe friends or family telling you, oh, it's all a scam, you don't make any money in that. Well, I have an article here. I don't know if you can see it, but it says it's from the Huffington Post. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's from the Huffington Post. I copied an article off the Huffington Post website. The Huffington Post is just like a newspaper. They're not into affiliate marketing, but they did write an article about affiliate marketing. And basically what this article says, that by 2020, which is right around the time I'm making this video, affiliate marketing will be a $6.8 billion industry. That's B as in boy, billion. $6.8 billion industry. So right there, it shows you that affiliate marketing is a huge business and with a lot of money to be made. Now, some of you that have tried affiliate marketing and you haven't found the success that you want, generally that's because affiliate marketers all pretty much promote their affiliate products in the same way. They take their affiliate link and they post it all over social media, or they post it in Facebook, and they hope they're going to make a sale. And that generally is not the case. It's very rarely you'll make any kind of money doing it that way. Now, this video is not necessarily an in-depth how to make money with affiliate marketing. This is just an overview. Can you make money with affiliate marketing? And what are some of the mistakes that affiliate marketers make when they're trying to make money using the internet with affiliate marketing? So basically what a lot of affiliate marketers do is they'll take their link, and let's say they go to social media is usually a big choice for a lot of affiliate marketers. So let's say they'll go to a Facebook and they'll post their affiliate link all over these make money online groups. But if you go into those groups and take a look at those groups are full of people posting their links. There's no real value in those links. I mean, as far as training, let's say if you're new to affiliate marketing or you're curious about affiliate marketing, when you go to these Facebook groups, there are no tutorials, there's no information, there's nothing to read. All it is just a bunch of people spamming their links, just link. Everybody trying to push their new gimmick or vitamin or whatever they have, they're trying to sell it. So if you just put your link in there in the ocean of everybody else, hoping that somebody who wants to get into making money online or being an affiliate marketer or buy your product is going to stumble across your link, is finding a needle in a haystack. It probably won't matter. It won't happen. Basically, to make money in affiliate marketing, you just do the opposite what everybody else is doing. Basically, you don't send your visitors and your traffic directly to your affiliate link, or you don't post your affiliate link on Facebook at all. Generally, what you would do, you would create a landing page, which is made with a landing page builder or funnel builder, such as ClickFunnels. And you create a landing page, and your visitors go there first. They enter their email because you want to capture their email so you can market to them later, and then send them off to your affiliate product. And it's very important to do it this way because you can stand above the crowd. And when somebody's thinking about affiliate marketing, or they want to buy your product, or thinking about creating more income online, they may not be looking for your specific product that you're selling. What they're looking for is really a way to make money. So if when you make your landing page, you talk about firing your boss, or change your lifestyle, or how to make money. You talk about their desires and what they're looking for, or their core desires, and not necessarily what you're selling, because they're looking for what you're selling. They really want you the result. So you talk about the result, what they're going to get your curiosity, have them enter their email, and then they go over to your affiliate product. And basically, in a nutshell, that's how affiliate marketing works, and that's how you become successful. Now, this video is a very glossed overview. There's a lot more to making landing pages, a lot more converting that traffic into buyers once you get it. But basically what this video was for is, can you make money with affiliate marketing? Definitely. According to Huffington Post, it's a $6.8 billion industry. So if you got a sliver of a commission of that kind of money, it could be life-changing for almost anybody. And number two, how do you become successful in affiliate marketing when there's so many people who tried it or they've been discouraged? How can they make money in affiliate marketing? And that would be basically do the opposite what everybody else is doing. So I hope this was a little informative heads up, and look for my other videos where I'm going to go more in depth on how to create your landing pages, how to get traffic, how to convert that traffic into sales, and how to become a successful online marketer. And I'll see you in my other video.